Hey, this is Rick, and welcome back to another unboxing and partial review. This is going to be on a protector for your phone. This is made by Tekkoo. That's T-E-K-C-O-O. This is for the LG Stylo 3. You see a lot of these cases on the market. They are pretty expensive. They can go all the way up to $80 to $100 to protect your phone. I've used these. They're pretty good. They're double protection and they are shockproof. I recommend to anybody to make sure you get a protector for your phone. These phones aren't cheap. The Stylo 3 here is like $129 right now, and I need to protect it. I've already put a protector on the face, and you can check those reviews out if you want to. I have them in there. It's called Nacodex. It's N-A-C-O-D-E-X, and check out my other review on those, and they're pretty good. It's a hard plastic that goes over the face of your phone, but still you can use your swipe technology without it having any issues. So this is the 1108 1147 black model, and there's the other ones out there that you can buy, and they're very expensive. This off eBay was like under $10, and I'll put the links at the bottom of the video description. Pretty simple to put together here. It has a rubber outer layer here that's like a neoprene rubber, as you can see, and then you have a hard plastic case on the outer part to protect it from shock, etc. What you do is you just slip your phone in there like that, and now you've got a rubber protection that goes around the outer part of your phone in case it falls. It doesn't get damaged. Or on the face, it's raised above the glass, and also on the back side, so it doesn't hurt your camera. It's got a little raised lip right here. It has all the ports open for your phone, side rocker right there, and if you have a phone like mine, you have a little raised button there. You're going to want to slip that in there first, and then just work it around till it goes around the rubber. Now you got yourself a nice hard protector to protect your phone from any damage. So that's it. That's the partial review on this protector. Like I said, it's under 10 bucks. eBay. All your ports are opened up here. Thanks again for watching. Once again, please subscribe, share with your friends. Take it easy.